We are a third-generation family business, and we started as a job shop in a garage, and then we bought one of our customers who was we were making widgets for other people, and we bought one of our customers who was an elevator parts manufacturing business based in New York in 1960. That started our long, slow, sometimes intentional, sometimes not so intentional, move into owning our own products and our own brands and the intellectual property around them. And that's where we are today after a series of acquisitions and roll-ups and a few roll-downs as well. I'm very passionate about manufacturing. I grew up obviously in a manufacturing business. I worked on the shop floor growing up as a kid. And I think especially in today's environment where so few people actually interact with each other, manufacturing is a really interesting slice of the world where people from different socioeconomic backgrounds, different ethnic backgrounds, different races, religions, men and women, really all rub shoulders and come together and work together for a common goal. And that's part of what I'm so passionate about. Manufacturing is terrifically important because I talked about the socioeconomic statuses of people that work in manufacturing, and they really do run the gamut. We talk so often in politics about how we're going to support returning citizens coming back to work, how we're going to support people without college degrees entering the workforce. Manufacturing is one of the few professions that genuinely accepts and wants these people with open arms. And not only that, in our company, everybody makes a living wage with health benefits and 401k matching and retirement and paid time off. So these are really high quality jobs that we provide for people at many different levels, at many different education levels. And you can come to us pretty much as you are. If you're willing to work an honest day and give us your contribution of your heart, your hand, and your hands and your mind, you can really make it. And we have a number of people in management positions at our company that started on our shop floor and are getting at the bottom end. They're making a living wage, but can move into middle class, even upper middle class status. And that's the pipeline that we need. What are we going to do? It's great if we have job training programs for returning citizens, but someone actually has to have a job for them when they finish it, and manufacturing is who provides that. Manufacturing is not the sexiest profession, but I think we probably will never achieve manufacturing demographics. We'll never have quite the same number of jobs than maybe we used to have in the 40s or the 50s, or even the 60s. But there still are plenty of manufacturing jobs, and I know as a CEO in this industry that we have more jobs than we have people to fill them. And I don't know whether that's a marketing gap or whether just not enough people envision manufacturing as a future career. But the truth is, there is a shortage of people to fill the jobs that we have that are good jobs. And I think we've just sort of let the pendulum swing too far in the other direction. We've abandoned it too fast. And we need to bring back some awareness to what we're doing so that people really understand that this is a noble job, and this is a real job, and it's a job with a future and a career that can really provide for you and your family in a way that puts food on your plate, but can also bring you personal satisfaction and fulfillment at the same time.